Hello, cookbook friends. Welcome to the Cookbook Divas YouTube channel. My name is Katie, and today I wanted to talk about Provecho. This is by Edgar Castrejón, and this has 100 vegan Mexican recipes in here. I'm excited because I always feel like I have meat in two places, like heavy meat. I always eat a lot of meat when I eat Korean food, and I always eat a lot of meat when I eat Latin American food. And I've been slowly trying to change that up and learn how to make all of these dishes more vegetarian or vegan. So I'm just really excited about this because it looks phenomenal, just the cover. And Edgar, if you want to check him out on Instagram, he goes by Edgar Raw. He's a huge Instagram influencer, and his food looks fantastic. And they've been passed down by his family for many generations. I just want to see how we can make authentic Mexican food, but also vegan. I just think that's phenomenal. So let's check it out. We have this beautiful, it's just a beautiful cookbook. It's very elegant. So we have, I apologize if my Spanish is not up to par. So we have chapter 1, La Mesa Elena or Iena. Already it's happening. We have chapter 2, La Mesita. We have chapter 3, which is La Mañana Después de la Cruda. We have chapter 4, which is Antojitos. Chapter 5 is Pepitas. We have chapter 6 is Postrecitos. So I'm really excited to check this out. We have just the chapter numbers in the very beginning here, the page numbers, so that you can flip through really fast. Not a list of the recipes quite yet. So we have great introduction, fantastic food photography throughout, I'm seeing. I mean, I would not know that a lot of this is vegan, to be perfectly honest. I mean, it just looks like it looks like an amazing Mexican cookbook. He gives us tools and pantry essentials in the very get-go, which is great. Let's move on. Ooh, he even have different kinds of bananas and what position or what kind of state they're in, when you should use them. Let's move to the actual recipes. Yum. Okay. So, in the very beginning, we have just the title page for each chapter. Then next, you're going to find a list of recipes here with the page numbers, which is fantastic. So there's a few things. If you are not a Spanish speaker, this might be a little difficult to kind of navigate because you're not, I'm obviously not 100% Spanish speaker. So some of these might be unfamiliar to you, but snoop through the cookbook, get familiarized. This is very cool. You get to learn a lot. But just so you know, there's no English translations in it, which it's fine. I think that's totally fine. We got to learn this stuff. So we've got Pizzole rojo. Yum. I love this stuff. And usually I thought Pizzole, yes. Oh, yum. It's got mushrooms. We've got amazing different hominy. We've got even cabbage in here. This is one of my favorite dishes. My parents make a great one, but it's made with pork, so I'm excited to show them something vegan oriented. So we have in the very beginning, again, a little blurb exactly where his recipe comes from. So it's a very personalized cookbook. We get to learn a lot more about Edgar and his foods, like where he learned all of these techniques from. We have all of the ingredients, plus we have the serving sizes right here. Then we have very clear, concise instructions. I'm wondering if every recipe comes with a photo. As I flip through, they might. It almost looks like all of them do have a photo next to it, which is great. I'm not sure if every single one does, but it has to be at least 90%. So that's exciting. Pipion? Ooh, yum. Yeah, I could never tell this has no meat in it or cheese. Like, no, yeah. Sopa de lenteje, sorry, God. Okay, lentil soup. Yum. We have, ooh, my favorite, sopa de fideo, but there's no chicken in it. So this will be interesting. Maybe I'll have to learn how to make this, but vegan now. Mushroom sancocho. This is a Salvadorian dish. Ooh, I've never had Salvadorian food, so that's going to be interesting. Let's move a little further. Oh, here's your corn tortillas recipe. And then I believe we're going to move, oh, and flour as well. And then we're going to be able to use all of these these dishes in other recipes. So we've got no bake enchilada verde with jackfruit, and this looks great. There is empanadas, lentil cauliflower and empanadas. Ama's taco ricos. That looks good. Sweet potato and kale tacos. That's a brilliant idea. I've had sweet potatoes on some tacos before, but this looks great. Colorful, beautiful, vibrant. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm getting really hungry. That's probably why I'm all crazy on this video. I apologize. We have, let's see what else. We even have quesadillas con plantanos. Yum. I think this has plantains in it, is what I'm guessing. Let me check. Yes. Okay, good. I'm not crazy. I might sound a little crazy today. Let's go on to some other ones. Frijoles fritos. That looks good. Vegan queso fundito. So this will be interesting to make this vegan. It has pressed tofu and avocado oil. I'm excited. I'm getting hungry. It's really hard to look through this because I'm just like drooling over everything. Gorditas. Oh, that looks awesome. That looks so good. Plato típico. Yum. These are gorgeous. The photography is just phenomenal. I'm very impressed. And there's so many recipes in here that I don't think you'll ever get bored. And you can kind of play on a lot of these recipes and kind of create your own vegan Mexican dishes. That's very cool. Fermented vegan crema. So let me see if I can actually find the beginning of this chapter. It looks like, okay, so we have all of the dips and whatnot here and kind of your toppings. And to veganize it would be interesting. I mean, salsa and guacamole, all that stuff is pretty easy. But when we have all the cremas, even if we wanted to do like queso, make our own like crumbles, that's something I am curious about. That's some of my favorite stuff, you know? So it'd be cool to learn how to make it. So we've got, I did see that vegan crema. And then we also have Queso Fresco. And this looks really good. I'm very excited. So this is actually made with tofu, vegan butter, and nutritional yeast. I'm gonna attempt it. I will. Maybe I'll show you guys on one of these videos one day. So then we even have, ooh, okay, mi tia Evelia's ceviche de cauliflower. I didn't even think about ceviche. That's an amazing thing too. Using cauliflower, that's such a good idea. Coconut aguachile, yum. There's a lot of amazing stuff in this cookbook, you guys. I'm sure you can see it. Let's see if I can find, there we go, bebidas, yum. Okay, so I know, so horchata, I believe, it should be naturally vegan. I think I might be wrong on that. Sorry if I am. But I'm excited to try it with this. I want to make my own. So that'll be really tasty. We have Jugo de Espinaca y Piña. Yum. And beautiful. That green is gorgeous. We have Jugo de Canela y Naranja. Yum. Orange. Ugh. And then let's see what else we've got hot chocolate. Yum. I'm so excited. This cookbook's awesome. Okay, so then we have even desserts, I believe, in the back. almond rice pudding with cashew cream. That looks amazing. Oh, I got ahead of myself. I saw a cheesecake, but this looks fantastic as well. I love the little jars. Edgar's No Bake Mexican Cheesecake. This looks awesome, and I've never had a vegan cheesecake before, so I'm really curious about it. Beautiful. So this cookbook, highly recommend. This is just fantastic. I love the recipes. There's a lot of classics, like plays on classics. There's a lot of new stuff in here. So I'm just, yeah, and there's 100 recipes. You're never going to get bored. I'm super thrilled. I'm going to be definitely cooking out of this after Christmas. So, I'll let you guys know how that goes. You can join me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to see more of this kind of stuff. If you guys want to check out our website at Cookbook Divas, we do a lot of cookbook content there. We also do a podcast. It's Cookbook Divas. We try to publish every Friday and do a weekly cookbook roundup. So all the brand new cookbooks that come out every single week. So come join us there. If you guys like our channel, make sure to subscribe down below and to like. If there's stuff that you want us to go over or cookbooks you're interested in, make sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Try Provecho. It's really amazing. Have a great week and let me know how it goes.